Hi, so I'm Sweetha Mary Mammen. I'm a Remedial Trainer and I work for Sunnyside Up. I had done my Diploma in Learning Disability Management, and I was conducting this training for teachers in a school to give them awareness, to tell them more about learning disabilities. And it was during this workshop that a teacher asked me, all right, now we know that learning disabilities exist and they are a part of our education system. But what do we do? How do we work around including these children in the class? And that is when I started thinking about inclusion, and I was brought to this page of Azim Premji University, and I was struck by the course that inclusive education, a diploma. So yeah, that's how I was led to this course. Everything was very well structured. I liked the flow of the entire curriculum and how everything was charted out prior to the start of the course. There were no surprises in between. I liked how they had made it really flexible for those who were working and who have their families, and the education was another part of their present existence. So that was very well planned. And another interesting feature was the faculty. They gave us a lot of space to explore our ideas and our thoughts, to express our opinions, and everyone was included. So there was inclusion in our sessions, and that was something that I really enjoyed. Learning exercises, especially during the face-to-face events, they were very good. It gave us the joy of coming back to college and learning after a long time. On the whole, it was a very good experience.